and welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to be filming my night routine because fall season and I just want to have a cozy night with you guys, and I want to show you guys what I do on a normal night. Just came back from a walk and it was so good. Like, they usually like to go on this trail at 6 p.m. and then we'll leave like when the sun goes down and watch the sunset when we're walking back. It's just like the best thing ever. I definitely recommend going on walks, especially during sunset time. And now that the sun is going down a lot earlier, it feels so good because it's chilly out. It's just like the right temperature. But anyways, I am going to start my night routine and show you guys what I do. I just got out of the shower and I didn't wash my hair tonight because I washed it yesterday. I have this cute little robe on from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested. I kind of wrapped it around. It's kind of like a waffle material and I decided to use it because I haven't used it yet. Anyway, after my shower, I'll usually spray perfume, deodorant, just all of the things. I've been loving this brand and I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I'll just have it on the screen, but it's my favorite scent right now. It just makes me feel so clean. And then for deodorant, I just use the Doe dry spray. Also, since I went on a walk, I'm going to spray some of this Gisou hair perfume. Just because I didn't wash my hair, I just want to make sure it smells good at least. Even though I washed it yesterday, I do not want to wash it again. It's so tiring. And my hair has been growing so much. Like, if you guys know, my hair is never this long. Anyways, I'm going to get in some PJs and get super comfy. Okay, so here's the pajama that I'm using tonight. I'm wearing this top from Brandy Melville, and isn't it the cutest thing ever? I am obsessed with it, and these shorts are also from Brandy Melville. I got it a pretty long time ago, but the top is brand new and I'm obsessed with it. I think right now I'm gonna go get some dinner because I haven't eaten yet since I ate a little snack a little bit later today. So let's go eat some leftovers because I'm literally leaving for my trip in one day. So we don't really have fresh food. We're just eating stuff that we can. Here's what I'm having. Oh gosh, don't look at my nail. Here's what I'm having for tonight. We made spaghetti the other night with like meatballs and then this like Texas, I believe it's Roadhouse, I don't know, this like bread, and it's so good. We just get it from Aldi's and it's amazing. I'm sure they have it at any other store, but this is what I'm gonna have tonight. Now it's time to clean the dishes, so I'm gonna do that really fast. We don't have that many dishes tonight, which I'm so glad because usually it takes forever, but I try to do it throughout the day so it's not like super piled up at the end of the day. But obviously dinner, I'm just gonna spray down the tables and stuff just to make sure everything's clean for the morning. I like to use the Everspring all-purpose cleaner. It smells amazing, especially the lavender scent. Perfect for the night because you guys know lavender is proven to help you fall asleep. I recently got my hands on this Canopy diffuser. It's actually so good. But you guys, this works and it looks gross, but it works. On this side of the diffuser, you put water in it and then you also put an essential oil, and I like to use the Unwind by Canopy. So I'm just gonna fill that up, which is literally every night. Fill it up and then turn it on. To edit right now because I have like 2 videos, actually 3 videos pre-filmed because I'm going on a trip, so I just want like videos pre-filmed. So that's what I'm gonna do. I usually try to edit during the day, but recently I've been editing at night, so that's been my night routine. Editing at night, getting the video done, and then also like trying to upload it because the Wi-Fi gets so bad in the house that we can't even use the Wi-Fi. We just go to sleep. So I usually just try to do it at night. I finished a video today which I was editing all day, and all I have to do now is work on the thumbnail and start editing my next video. I don't know why I leave everything last minute. I don't know, it's just procrastination for me. But while I do some editing, I'm just gonna watch a movie as well on the projector in bed. It's literally the best feeling ever because I didn't really want to buy a TV. It's just so expensive for the room and it doesn't really match the aesthetic, so we just use a projector and we watch like all the movies on the screen. So I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, let's just get things done. It's currently 8:21 p.m. and I am like so exhausted. exhausted. I've been editing for 2 to 3 hours and just like working on thumbnails while watching SWAT, which SWAT is so good. If you haven't got on it, it's so good. This is the projector setup. I have this projector linked down below, so if you guys want to go check it out, it is literally so worth the price. Like, I've had this for years now and it's so good. We just set it up on a stool so that it can like fit perfectly on the wall, and then you can adjust it on the actual projector if the place that you set up doesn't match where you want it to be. I don't know if that makes sense. That probably doesn't make sense, but it's such a good projector and I definitely would recommend. But it is about time I get ready to go to sleep because I am so tired. I think my body has been getting used to sleeping at like 9 p.m. and now this is just like super exhausting to me. Like, I am trying to stay up but I cannot, which is terrible because our flight in a day is at 7 a.m. but we have to leave from our house at 2 a.m. to get to my mom's because she lives pretty far away. So it's gonna be very hard for me. I'm gonna try to sleep early or something like that. I will be vlogging it for you guys, so definitely make sure to stay tuned. To remove my makeup, I just use this micellar cleansing water by Garnier. So good, and I just used some cotton swab. So that is just what I'm gonna do. I've literally had this pimple patch all day and I didn't even know. So we gotta remove that and just let my skin breathe. It didn't even work. So now I'm gonna wash my face to get all of the dirt and makeup off my face. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to do some skincare. I like to go in with Clinique Moisture Surge. If you guys get the chance to try this, you will see the biggest difference with your skin feeling so moisturized. Like, I literally feel like it does such a big difference. With any other moisturizer, I don't feel like it does the biggest difference, but this one is just like so good. It literally is what my skin needs. Like, I don't even realize my skin is not even moisturized until I put this thing on, and it refreshes my whole skin. As you guys can tell, I'm a little tired because I literally just forgot to put my serum first. I usually use the Bioma hydrating serum. I love this one, but I just ran out. Like, there's literally nothing left. I've been trying to get more out of it, but there's nothing. I have the Glossier serum. This one is the Super Pure serum, and then the other one is the Super Bounce hyaluronic acid serum. I think I might just go with the Super Bounce. I've literally had this for so long. I hope these serums are so good because I don't know if they expire. And that's literally all I do for skincare. I don't like to put too much on my face because then I'll just like break out, and everybody's different. Like, some people will need to have more skincare. For me, like, I don't feel like I need that much skincare. Oh, and then I also love to use the lip sleeping mask. I usually put this like right before bed, but I'm just gonna put this on right now. If you don't want chapped lips, definitely use this, or if you're trying to recover from it, because this will literally fix it overnight. Okay, now it's time to do some hair care, which is nothing like too big. I just like to brush my hair before I go to sleep because it'll get super tangly if I don't. I just make sure to brush all of it. Also, the reason why my hair has been a little bit more wavier in my videos is because I've been using heatless curls, and I promise you, if you keep using that instead of like a curling wand, your hair will grow, because my hair has been growing so much. I definitely need a little trim, but it feels like it's gotten a lot more healthier than curling it, which is obvious. It's super hard to stop, but I definitely recommend trying to do the heatless curls. I literally just use the rope tie. Does that make any sense? Like the rope? No, not the rope. I basically just use the part of the rope to do the heatless curls, and then I'll spray it so it gets like extra curly. I'll kind of like try to do a tutorial on how I do it. I think I've done it before, but I'll try to do it again. I have been loving it so much. After brushing it, I'll go in with the Day hair oil. This is like super important for hair growth as well, keeping the ends strong and like healthy. So I just apply that on my ends. Tea, I'm gonna write in my journal while I drink my tea. I love journaling, and I feel like I talk about this in all my night routines or any vlog that I like journal in, but I absolutely love journaling about my day, anything that I'm going through, so that I can look back at one day. And I've been doing this since I was in 5th grade, so I can look back at so much, and I don't regret a single thing that I wrote down, because it's just so funny to look back and see how much I've grown. And I'm telling you guys, you should definitely try this. It also gives you time to just like reflect about anything. You can search up journal prompts, which I'll have a couple on the screen right here that you can follow, where it just asks questions and then you reflect on that question just to kind of make you think and just spend time with yourself. I think that's really important when ending off the night, not sit on your phone, which is something so hard, especially for me. I struggle with it so bad. So recently I've just been like either picking up my journal or reading my Bible. I have this Bible from Amazon that I got recently and it's so beautiful. The reason why I love this Bible is because there's literally so much space to write notes down. So I love this Bible so much. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in getting a Bible, especially for some study time. Definitely recommend. But I'm gonna write in my journal right now and then definitely end off the night because I am feeling exhausted. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end this here because I'm literally just gonna go to sleep now. It's 11:58, almost 12, but I aim to sleep at 10 p.m. no later than that. But since I've been so busy recently, I've been not on the best sleeping schedule, but I have been sleeping a little bit better yesterday, so my body's just like used to that already. I'm just gonna get some sleep now, and I really hope this video helped you or motivated you in some sort of way. Comment down below the night emoji if you made it up to this point of the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.